Things Islam has commanded, yet we neglect them. 1. The 5 daily prayers. We all know the prayer is obligatory, yet many of us fail to perform it with discipline and consistency. 2. Reading the Quran with understanding. We recite the Quran, but rarely do we pause to understand its meaning, its message, its guidance. 3. Giving charity. Helping the poor and needy is a duty, yet we give little, or only when people are watching. 4. Honesty and trustworthiness. In work, business, and daily life, true honesty is fading, even though it is one of the core pillars of our faith. 5. Good manners and character. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught that good character is half of faith, yet kindness, humility, and gentle speech are disappearing from our interactions. 6. Fulfilling the rights of neighbors. Islam teaches us to care for those living beside us, yet we often don't know their needs or even their names. 7. Maintaining family ties. We are commanded to connect, forgive, and heal relationships, but instead we cut ties over ego, pride, and trivial disputes. 8. Seeking and spreading religious knowledge. We chase worldly knowledge relentlessly, yet give so little time to study the knowledge that leads to salvation.